What's going on, guys? Nick here, back with it another video. And in today's video we're going to talk about something that Elgato sent me. They sent me some stuff, but today we're going to talk about their foam panels, as you can see here. So these are Elgato wave panels. These supposed to go on your wall to like dampen the sound in your room or something like that. And to be fair, these are a sexy looking panels, but to be honest, these are so expensive. Like, I think it's like $100 on their website and thing, and maybe you can get it retail on Amazon as well for $110 US or something like that. But are these foam worth it? And to be honest, I think it do help my room because I have a small room. My room is not that big or anything like that. My room is kind of small, so you know, the reverb and the echoes will be like not that much, but like in a hall or something like that. But to be honest, these do help from I install these, because as you can see here, I installed these already, and I just want to show you the process of installing these. So these are like thick materials. As you can see here, it has like 2 layers of material here. So you have a layer at the base, like a hard layer, and at the top it's kind of soft. It's really nice, to be honest, but some people will say, yo, like $100 for sponge or foam, yo, this thing is crazy. But to be honest, you're getting quality product, and the installation is so simple. Like, it's so easy to set up these on your walls, like the ones I had before, which was these. Let me get that real quick. But these ones I was using before, and these was a pain to set up. I think these are like the 2-inch foams or the 1-inch foams, and these would mess up my wall. Like, I would like stick all these tapes and glue on the wall, and it would left like residue and all those marks on the wall. These was never aesthetically pleasing, to be honest, so I'm glad I take these down. But these now are so nice, and Elgato didn't sponsor this video or tell me to say anything about their product. These are my straight like opinions. These are my own opinions about this, so they're not seeing this video for you or anything like that. These are just my opinion about this. So I've been to studio before, like seeing like the setup of their panels and like how they use their acoustic foams to like dampen the sound. Because if you have a bigger room, I think you will have more problem with reverb and echoes, like in a hallway or something like that. But my room is kind of small, so I don't really have that much of echoes. Plus I have furniture in my room, like my bed, my chair, and all those stuff, so it doesn't really affect me any like much. But I removed the 2-inch panels, as I said before, I definitely see a sound improvement, because I use like my mic sometimes when I'm recording voiceovers and all those stuff. I would use my mic, and the best placement for these is actually behind your microphone, or from the side to side of where you're sitting. So like when you're speaking, you know, the sound will bounce off the wall in the corners and all those stuff. So it's best to put these behind your microphone and exactly where you're sitting, or behind your monitors, your speakers or something, so it will actually dampen the sound when you're maybe doing a voiceover recording something. So yeah, these are really nice, as I said before. But the price, right? So many people will not have like $100 or $110 to buy sponge, and all you get in this is like 6. You get 6 pack of these with the brackets, the frame, and some mounting clips and screws, if you want to use this like on drywall or screw it like on your wall or something like that. But I didn't do that process. I just went ahead and used the adhesive strips they provided, and I think they should have provided more adhesive strips, because I used 2 adhesive strips for each panel, and I think they should have given us more. But I'm gonna show you the process of installing these, and I just want to say real quick, are these worth it? And to be honest, you could get cheaper foam for like $20, $40 on Amazon, and you could get way more foams than the 6 you get here. But to be honest, you're getting quality product and the easy installation process. I think all of those add up to the money you're buying this for. I haven't seen any panels that is so easy to install, and Elgato make these really easy to install because the process is so simple. All you need to do is just set up the brackets, then you just find the spot on your wall or the design you want to go with. And that's the thing with these, you can set like multiple design with these. It's super awesome, like to set on your wall and all those stuff. The design is really nice, and I don't think 6 will actually do me good. I think I will need more. I will show you like how this is on my wall and all those stuff and how I install it. Are these worth it? In some cases yes, and maybe in some cases no, because many people, as I said, won't have $100 to buy sponge. And if you do have the money, I would definitely say you can go ahead and buy this thing. But if you don't have the money like that, I don't think you should buy this, because you could just work with something like a $20 pack of sponge on Amazon or acoustic foams, so you don't have to like burn all your money on this. These were sent out to me free of cost. I didn't purchase this. Elgato sent me this and some other products, but I'm just starting off with this first. And yeah, it's really a nice product, and I can definitely see the improvements once I install these. As I said before, if you want to go ahead and buy this thing, you can, but I don't think you should go ahead and like spend so much money on a sponge if you don't have that budget. But for now, it's okay. For now, it's okay. And it's super awesome, like to have these are aesthetically pleasing, to be honest. These are so nice when they're on your wall, and it looks good. So I guess you're paying for the looks and the easy installation and the material, because the material is super awesome as well. So I hope you find this video helpful, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead by subscribing down below, and also ringing that notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Peace.